by the PW1. This sale deed has not been challenged. Revenue entries have not been challenged. My lord, earlier, my lord, your lordships are aware, my lord, one, in respect of one survey number, my lord, whoever is the owner and whoever is in possession under the same RTC, my lord, in respect of one survey number, whoever is the owner and in possession, my lord, they would come in the same RTC. But the trial court, after appreciation of the evidence led, my lord, and the contentions raised, my lord, page 32, my lord, in page 32, may kindly please. Page 32, my lord.
Why did the trial court disbelieve that you were in possession?
My lord, the trial court says, my lord, you have not given the specific boundaries. The trial court says, my lord, the boundaries what I have furnished is as per the sale deed. Sale deed is not disputed by the defendant.
Where is the discussion on that?
My lord, see page 32, my lord.
Yes, paragraph.
My lord. Page 19, my lord, is the controversy regarding the exhibit P1. Para 22, my lord, at page 33, your lordship may kindly see. Para 22, my lord, page 33. Yes. In this regard, on going through the entries appeared in all the suit schedule survey numbers, the first defendant's name is incorporated for different extents, which are different from the extent of the suit schedule properties claimed to be holding by the plaintiff. By taking into consideration of these different entries, it cannot be said that the properties comprised in all the suit schedule survey numbers are still in joint and undivided among the respective holders. Therefore, there should be separate enjoyment of their extent by them, whatever they hold as per the revenue entries. As such, this defense version is not believable and not substantiated by the defendants. Not further below, my lord.
No, please go through. Moreover, on going through the registered sale deed.
Moreover, on going through the registered sale deed, which is marked as Exhibit P1, Sannegowda and Sannegowda, who are the sons of Sannegowda, have clearly stated with regard to delivery of possession of extents, whatever they sold in Exhibit P1 to the father of the plaintiff on the date of sale itself. Here it is significant to note that during the year 91-92 itself, the revenue entries to the properties mentioned in the suit schedule have been incorporated in the name of the plaintiff's father on the basis of the purchase. The RTC extracts of the suit schedule survey numbers are revealing the different entries in favor of others by excluding the extent of the suit schedule properties. As such, the alleged joint possession and joint enjoyment with the defendants and their brothers are not believable as they contended in their written statement. Lord, next page, my lord, page 35. Regarding description, my lord, of the boundaries. Page 35, almost, my lord, 8 lines from the top. Your lordship's got it, my lord. Thus,
do you think it's better to read the whole paragraph?
Lord, I would read, my lord.
But this is a suit filed by the plaintiff.
This is a suit filed by the plaintiff against the defendants for the relief of permanent injunction to restrain their illegal interferences over the suit schedule properties. When this being so, he has given the boundaries to the suit schedule properties with the contentions that all the suit schedule properties so purchased under Exhibit P1 are having set boundaries over which the defendants have no right to interfere. Therefore, it is incumbent upon the court to ascertain the correctness boundaries given to the suit schedule properties under the defense versions taken by the defendants to advance the relief of permanent injunction as prayed for in favor of the plaintiff. On careful reading of the boundaries given to the suit schedule properties, they are optically similar to the boundaries mentioned in the registered sale deed, which is marked as Exhibit P1. When this being so, the boundaries got mentioned in the registered sale deed is covering the total extent in which the suit schedule extents are contended to be sold and delivered in favor of the plaintiff's father. On careful reading of the said sale deed, the properties so conveyed by the vendors in favor of the plaintiff's father are not described with the specific individual boundaries to know their proper location. Thus, the description of the boundaries mentioned in the registered sale deed are not revealing the individual boundaries to the suit schedule properties. When this being so, the plaintiff has not produced any such cogent and convincing evidence to show the individual and definite boundaries to the suit schedule properties comprised in the suit schedule survey number. As evidently by the RTC entries, including the plaintiff, some other persons are also